So what we have here is the SunJoe 12-inch electric chainsaw. Now it comes unassembled. You will need to install the blade, which shouldn't be an issue. We'll get to that in a second. Comes with a full manual here explaining everything that's going on with it. Always read the manual. And this is the actual blade. Don't clip the zip, bar and chain accessory kit. With the 12-inch bar, the cutting chain adjustment tool. And that should be everything we need to get started. So let's put it together really quick. Always wear a helmet, kids.